Today I'm sharing a super simple and fun way to teach kids about tornadoes. All you need is some water, a jar with a lid, and some food coloring. Fill a jar about 2/3 of the way full with water, then add 1 drop of food coloring. Screw the lid on tightly and give it a twirl. Watch as the water and air bubbles inside swirl into a spinning vortex to create a tornado in your jar. Your tornado in the jar is much safer than a real-life tornado, of course, but the science behind how it forms is very similar. Tornadoes in the real world form when warm, moist air rises in an updraft of a thunderstorm and the air begins to spin. The spinning motion of a tornado happens when the wind direction in the atmosphere changes directions as the air in the updraft moves higher and higher into the sky. If the air in the thunderstorm updraft spins fast enough, it will create a funnel cloud that will drop down out of the clouds and touch the ground as a tornado. If you like this video, please hit the like and follow buttons. It really helps us out and we really appreciate it.